DJI is promising pro features in their smallest package yet, including the new vocal tone presets and improved 2-level noise cancelling. So let's see if it's better than the original, although I never had the DJI mic, so I don't have anything to compare. So let's actually open the box and see what's inside, because I haven't opened it yet. So let's see what's there. And it's also made for an iPhone. I'm recording this video on my iPhone 12 mini camera, but actually as my daily phone I'm using Google Pixel, so I don't know if this will work with Google Pixel. So here they have this Apple-like package, just to make sure that it's new. Okay. Yeah, this way. So what do we have here? First, the package with the actual mic. Whoa, they have some stickers inside. DJI, pretty nice. Just to see what's in there. And I can tell you that the package is pretty high quality. Yeah, the stickers are very nice. So this one is for the memory card, and this one to put elsewhere. Like a nice DJI logo. And there, I think so also, yeah, quick start guide, how to use it. So basically, you have two components. You have the actual mic, and you also have this transmitter, right? That's what they call it. So it comes with the actual bag for it, which I already like. Very nice texture to it, and the handle, and also there is a zipper. Okay, great. And what's inside? And here we have a USB Type-C cable. Should be a pretty good one. Probably it's for charging. We also have another cable. So this one is for charging the mic, I presume, because it has the magnetic connection dots, and basically that's what they use on such a small devices. Okay, what is this? These are some adapters, maybe magnetic adapter. And there should be our champ. So it has like a pocket system inside, so the transmitter is over here. That's where it comes, and whoa, and here is the mic. Amazing. Okay, wow, it's very small, it's a very lightweight. Actually, according to the official website, it's only 11 grams, which means that you won't really feel it on your clothes or elsewhere. And how do you attach it to your clothes? I believe this is the answer. So the new feature for this mic too is actually magnetic front covers. Yeah, so I'm able to replace this if I want to. Yeah, probably this is a useful feature, because sometimes you don't want this to be really visible in your clothes when you're shooting the video like in front of the camera, and that's where it gets really useful, although it's not that easy to detach, so I think it won't get lost over time. And also over here you have the clip. So this clip, yeah, so it works like this, but also yeah, okay, so it snaps. And also here we have the okay, so this is USB Type-C. Presumably it magnets somewhere, like, I don't know, here, there. Yeah, probably here. To be honest, no idea. So maybe this is the answer. Okay. And the transmitter, it also has a clip. Here we have, I guess this is the sensitivity adjustment, and some light indicators, and what is this? Like a plug for, yeah, for audio jack. I guess this is for connecting to the camera. Yeah, this is also very lightweight, but this mic is incredibly lightweight. And I was told by the official site that actually I can plug it into my phone directly. So maybe this is the answer. Maybe these are the no. Here, okay, let's see what else. Here I have this fur ball. I guess this is a protection from the wind when you're filming outside. So for the first step, what I need is to turn on both mic. Yeah, so it's on actually, it's blinking now with this button, and also to turn on the transmitter. So it takes like 2 seconds for it to turn on. Okay, and then it should start blinking. And also this thing is actually sliding like this. I don't know where to put this when this is off. No idea. Well, maybe in the bag, right? So it has compartments for everything. And also beside that, we have this USB Type-C connector, which is perfect actually, because that's what my Pixel uses. And then if we're looking at the mic on the DJI logo side, it should slide in like this. Yeah, so it did, and I heard the sound. I think that was the confirmation. So let me clip it on my t-shirt. So now I'll try to actually plug it into my phone. And now when it's plugged in, I can basically see that there is a connection, and I think I can use it with the voice recorder or whatever. Here we go. Got it. And yeah, I'll try to record my voice right here and to see how it sounds. Over here, as you can see, my Android phone shows that USB audio is connected. It's a wireless mic RX. So yeah, I'm wondering for the comparison how it sounds next to my Rode mic. But yeah, I think it should be pretty good. It's right here on my chest. Now, for charging, there is this puck, as I previously mentioned, and this is actually for the mic itself. So it's magnetic, attaches on one way, and then let's plug it into this beautiful power bank. And yeah, here you go. It's blinking, it's charging. And for this part, it has this USB Type-C port. Cable over here, so I'm able to charge it as well. And besides connecting with this transmitter, it's also possible to connect this microphone directly to your phone, which is good because sometimes you can just forget it and have the mic on you, and in that case Bluetooth is generally better, but there are also the downsides. And then it means that the quality of the sound is not that great, and yeah, also it can be interrupted, and this should be more stable. And when it's interrupted, this microphone, it doesn't have the internal memory as far as I'm aware, which means that you will just lose a part of audio track if something goes wrong with your Bluetooth connection. On my wife's iPhone, it works just great. You just plug it in and you start recording, and immediately your phone recognizes that there is an external mic plugged in. So I like this part a lot. And yeah, as you can see, there is one button over here for the power, and then the other one for... So I turned it on, and now if I hold it for 2 seconds, it should start blinking with blue. Okay, good. And now I can, let's see if it's somewhere here. Yeah, it's right here. I can pair it to my phone. Okay. Let's try this time with the Bluetooth connection and see if it sounds worse or way worse than the way of using it with the transmitter. Okay, and I found something else in the box. It was really small, so just didn't notice it. So basically, this is an extra cover for the front of the mic. So I can get rid of the white one or whatever. Yeah, it's not really black, it's like dark gray, but this is perfectly fine with me. And also beside that, what is this? And this is the magnetic box, so yeah, I can use it directly on the mic without the clip under my shirt. which is way better. So it has a lot of accessories for 60 euro and also some additional tech details about this microphone. So unlike this first version of the mini mic from DJI, this one includes vocal tone presets. So it has normal, bright and rich mode. It also has 2 levels of noise cancellation instead of just one, which is like really essential when you're filming outside or in a noisy environment. And as you can see, it's completely plug and play. I didn't have to install any additional apps. You just snap and you just start recording with whatever, with the camera app or with the recorder app or with other app that you're using for making videos or audio tracks. So yeah, generally I like the experience. I like the package, the overall offer for 60 euro. It should be great, and I can't wait to check it out in the wild to see how it works for real videos, and of course with the iPhone, because as it states over here, it's actually made for iPhone somewhere on the box. But yeah, with Google Pixel I guess it also should be fine. So this is what it sounds like when I'm using it with iPhone 16 Plus. The sound quality is pretty good, I can tell you already. And yeah, the phone is very lightweight in comparison to the configuration without the transmitter plugged into the USB Type-C. And this is what DJI Mic Mini 2 sounds like with the Pixel 9a, also plugged into the USB Type-C. Basically, on the box it says that it's made for an iPhone, but I think it should work with both. So let me know what you think regarding the sound quality difference in the comments for this video, and also feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.